Question number 14. Phosphorus can be prepared in an electric furnace as given by the following balanced chemical equation. When 620 grams of calcium phosphate, 180 grams of silicon dioxide and 96 grams of carbon were reacted, 50 grams of P4 were obtained. Under these conditions, the limiting reagent and the percentage yield of P4 respectively are. Let's find out first what is the limiting reagent. So let me write the reaction again. 2 calcium phosphate, 6 silicon dioxide, 10 carbon gives us 6 calcium silicate, 10 carbon monoxide and P4. Right, the amount of calcium phosphate is 620 grams, silicon dioxide amount is 180 grams, carbon amount is 96 grams, P4 amount is 50 grams. So let's calculate the number of moles of each species. So we have to divide them by their molar masses. This is 310 for calcium phosphate, 60 for silica, 12 for carbon. Right, so this will be 2 moles, this will be 3 moles, this will be 8 moles. Now when we look at the amount of calcium phosphate and the silica, according to the stoichiometry, we need 6 silica for 2 calcium phosphate, and we already have 2 moles of calcium phosphate. That means we need 6 moles of silica, but we have only 3 moles. Therefore, for the time being, silica is the limiting reagent. Calcium phosphate is in excess. Now when we look at the stoichiometry of silica and carbon, it's 6:10 or 3:5. So that means for 6 silica we need 10 moles of carbon, but we have 3 moles. For 3 moles we will be needing 5 carbons, but we have 8. So carbon is also in excess. Therefore, this will be our limiting reagent. I hope you can understand that. Now we have to calculate the amount of P4 that we can theoretically get. The theoretical amount of P4. Now this is the experimental amount, actual amount. The theoretical amount, that means theoretically the amount that we can get from P4 will be in the stoichiometric ratio of silica to phosphorus. So it will be 6:1. So that means if we react 6 silica with calcium phosphate and carbon, we get 1 mole of P4, but we have 3 moles of silica. That means we will be getting 0.5 moles of P4, right? 0.5 moles of P4. So the mass of P4 will be 0.5 into 124. This is the molar mass of P4. So it will be 62 grams. This is the theoretical mass. This is the actual mass. This is the theoretical mass. So the percentage yield is calculated like this. Percentage yield is equal to the actual mass divided by theoretical mass into 100. The actual mass is 50 grams. Theoretical mass is 62 grams into 100. The answer is 80.65. So can be rounded off to 80.7. Therefore, our answer will be the second one. The limiting reagent is silica. The percentage yield will be 80.7. Okay, let's move on to the next question.